During our teachers meeting, Kim Jae-won Nim gives you 500 pesos for your allowance. Okay? Please receive.
Kim Jae-won님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Good afternoon, Teacher Shella.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, you're not around during our meeting. You went to Medellin, so I was the one who proxy the meeting, the assistant. So, I'll be giving you the salary, which is 5,000.
Mactan Korea Channel, 감사합니다.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Good afternoon, Kayla.
Good afternoon, Teacher Nissan.
So, Kim Ji-won-nim give you allowance 500. Here's your 500.
Kim Jiwanim, 감사합니다.
Bye-bye, Kayla.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Loida.
안녕하세요.
Kay Mactan Korea Channel gives you 1,000.
Mactan Korea Channel, 감사합니다.
감사합니다, Teacher Loida. Bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Ria.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Kim Jiwanim gives you 500 pesos for your allowance.
Kim Jiwanim, 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye, Ria.
Chocominim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. For the chance to go.
Ashley and Damya.
안녕하세요.
So, Chocominim gives you each 2 packs of Chocks to go.
Chocominim, 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.